helicopter is powered by 2 turboshaft engines. It can be flown in the most rigorous conditions, such as utility transport, search and rescue, combat and armed support, casualty evacuations, and special operations under the command and control of the 205th Tactical Helicopter Wing of the Philippine Air Force.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just witnessed the opener pass of the Black Hawk helicopter of the Philippine Air Force, signaling the start of the opening ceremony of the Philippine ROTC.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, you had just seen the opening of the ROTC Games 2024. My name is Danny Dincon.
And my name is Kurt Soberano.
As we say once more, husay ng ROTC, husay ng kabataan, mabuhay ang mga kabataan, mabuhay ang ROTC! Magandang umaga po! Baby, you're a firework!